Having been elected to the position of the Welfare Secretary of Representatives Student Association, solemnly pledge to uphold the responsibilities and ideals of this office. I swear to perform my duties with integrity, transparency, and dedication, always acting in the best interest of our esteemed association and its members. I pledge to support and promote the vision of our alma mater and to work tirelessly towards sustaining unity, progress, and development among alumni and in the institution. I commit to respect and uphold values upon which our association stands, to serve without prejudice or partiality, and to inspire others to contribute meaningfully to our shared goals. In all matters, I shall be guided by the principles of fairness, accountability, and service. I shall listen to the voices of our members, encourage collaboration, and work hard to leave behind a legacy of which our alumni community can be proud of, for God and Fatherland.
Adetola Emmanuel King, having been elected to the position of the National President of RSSOSA Student Association, solemnly pledge to uphold the responsibilities and the ideals of this office. In all matters, I shall be guided by the principles of fairness, accountability, and service. I shall listen to the voices of our members, encourage collaboration, and work hard to leave behind a legacy of which our alumni community can be proud of. So help me God, for God our Father.
I thank God on your behalf, and I really want to appreciate the commitments and the efforts of the electoral body